This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Put the frozen strawberry into the ice water. The water instantly condenses around the strawberry. This is the power of turning water into ice. Pouring milk into Coke. Coke became transparent. Cut the stem of a white rose into 4 petals. Soak it in different colors of paint. You'll have a colorful rose. Mixing white vinegar and soda will produce carbon dioxide. Put the invisible gas near the candle. The candle was extinguished. This is the principle of fire extinguisher. Quietly sprinkle a few salt on the table. You can easily stand up eggs. Put a ping pong ball on a hairdryer. Even if tilted 45 degrees, the ping pong ball will never fall. This is Bernoulli's principle. String a straw and a paper cup together. One end is inserted into a sealed bag. Aim one end at the hairdryer, and you have a vacuum. Put a piece of newspaper over the water-filled cup. Turn the cup upside down and slowly tear off the paper. The water will not spill. Have you learned?